In a previous video, we set up a basic rule set, but there's a lot more you can do to customize how they function. In this video, we'll go through advanced settings and set a charge and cutoff date. For this example, I created an identical rule set to the coffee bag monthly subscription from last video and named the new one Coffee Box of the Month. This subscription box curates unique monthly flavors of coffee and ships out for all customers on the same day of the month. I'm going to modify my rule set so that existing customers are all charged on the same day, referred to as the charge date, and I'll set a cutoff date so anyone who subscribes within 3 days of the charge date will still get in on that month's shipment. First up is the charge date. By default, Recharge will charge your customers on the same day of the month that they sign up. To make fulfillment easier, I want to charge all recurring customers on the same day. For this example, let's say the 15th. I'll change when they sign up, and now on the 15th of the month, Recharge will charge all subscribers and send the orders over to Shopify all at once. Say a customer signs up today, August 10th. Their first charge will go through today. Then next month, they'll get charged on the charge date I just set, so September 15th. From then on, as long as they're a subscriber, they will get charged on the 15th of the month. Just one setting left. Let's say, in order to get out all of my monthly orders, I need to know by the 18th how many packages are going out to my fulfillment center. I can use the cutoff date for that. Cutoff dates create a window between your charge day and the day a customer goes through the Recharge checkout. This allows you to treat checkout orders as part of the current subscription cycle, and Recharge knows to include their next recurring subscription as part of the next subscription cycle. Since we can't predict when a customer goes through checkout, the cutoff dates ensure that Recharge will treat the order based on your store's current subscription cycle. I'm going to set a cutoff date on the 18th. If a customer subscribes after this date, they miss the party that month. The charge still goes through, but they'll be added to the next month's order. Let's take a moment to review this example visually. I currently have a cutoff date of the 18th, a charge date of the 15th, and a customer places an order on August 4th. This is before my charge date and cutoff date, so they made it this month before it closes down. They will get charged on the 4th after they check out. Their order will get fulfilled along with everyone else on the 15th. And from there, the customer will get charged and shipped packages on September 15th, October 15th, and so on. Back to my box of the month example. Because of the charge date, this rule set will charge all existing customers on the 15th of every month. If a customer purchases on the 20th of August, they've missed my charge date of the 15th and my cutoff date of the 18th. So Recharge will set their next recurring date to October 15th. Why did it skip September? It assumes that the August box is already done fulfillment, so a customer purchasing on August 20th would actually be receiving the September box, similar to a prepayment. What if a customer slides in between the charge date and the cutoff date? In that case, the customer will get charged after they complete checkout, and because they made it before the cutoff date, they will receive the August box and get charged again on September 15th, October 15th, and so on. Cutoff dates are intended to be placed after charge dates, since they give customers a few extra days breathing room if they miss the deadline. Putting the cutoff day before the charge day will charge the customer twice in the same month. In this example, the customer will get charged during their initial checkout on the 10th, but because it was before the cutoff date, they will get charged again on the 15th. From then on, the customer will get charged on the 15th of the month as intended. If you have any questions about cutoff dates or rule sets, please reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help out. I'll include a link in the description below.